Okay, this game we wanted to open up a bit more, and we tried to be a little bit more adventurous, but okay, very quick goals, and during the transition period, we were not fast enough to recover back. But credit to the boys, actually, they really expressed themselves. We had a very young team, and they gave their all. Uh, Malaysia was 1-2 level higher than us, and they are players with a lot of experience and higher level, playing at higher level. So it's a very good learning experience for us. We have to build from here and move on, and be more positive, and see how we can come back strongly.
And moving on, of course, next game, big game, another one against Indonesia. What's your thinking behind that going in?
Yeah, it's another tough game. Actually, this group is the toughest, we have to analyze Indonesia. They are playing later, so we go back to training. We have 2 sessions, and we see how we can plan our sessions and prepare for the next game.
Thank you very much. Good luck against Indonesia.